All right. So now let's say additionally we want to give something diversity. Let's diversity, give a priority to diversity. And then again we have here. So here we'll again use a normal Boolean, the way we used in a medtech, big tech, and a food tech. Here we'll use little advanced Boolean using around. So for diversity, let's say we want someone who would have written in their profile, women engineering college, women in tech, girls high school, something like that. So first, girl or girls or women or women's or mahila. I'll just take this much only. Mahila is in local language, in Indian language. For women, we call it as a mahila. All right, EROUND, around maybe 7 words. So we are trying to see any one word from this set and any one word from this set within the 7 words, either 7 words before or within 7 words after. But these 2 words together should be coming in our search result within that 7 words. Something like girls high school or women's college of engineering or engineering college for women's college or women's educational institutions.
You already have this search.
Yeah, yesterday we built, but we are building it again. Either maybe a education society or something like women in tech or women in engineering. All right, we have exhausted the space. How much space we have? We have little, but yeah, that's fine. So give priority to these ones. So here, okay. First diversity, additionally second diversity we will add. Diversity 1, give a priority. So now someone who would have written woman in engineering or woman, okay, let's say this one, woman around 3, engineering or tech or technology, women in engineering or women in tech or women in technology. Search. All right, come here, refresh. STE. Hyderabad. So we just give only 2 email IDs. Let's give it some time. Okay, now here we get women tech makers. So yeah, if you see tech, we did not give, we just give tech, but now Google is doing its own magic. Okay, women tech makers, engineering, Kavya Shri, Navya, women tech major, engineering. Yeah, almost all are diversity.
Is it considering all the refinement?
So under diversity, it's considering these refinements, SDE Hyderabad. It's considering the refinements which we gave under diversity in a backend, these ones, and also it's considering the priority keywords which we gave in a first page. So a list of priority keywords from the first page, like Birla Institute and all everything, then location from here, SD from here, and then those combination, the second priority, not second priority as a mandatory field, diversity. That's the reason you see.
What about the big tech and
Big
the
tech, it
other
will give
ones?
only big tech. It would not give a diversity. Now, if you need a diversity plus big tech, let's say now come again here. So I would go for diversity 1, as here we have this space over here. Women around 3, engineering or tech or technology. Diversity plus, okay, I can't name it. Okay, we'll keep it like that. Microsoft or Google or Adobe or Uber or Ola or Swiggy. Okay, so we just say okay. Again, come here, refresh, SDE. Now diversity 1, where we added women plus those big techs. Now here we get the combination of those diversity and again only from the big tech, like Google, Microsoft, Uber. So Flipkart, maybe person would have worked earlier in either of the companies like Uber or something, which we have given Swiggy and all. But otherwise, now we have that diversity and again from those big techs. So it's more of in backend, how are we giving, how are we playing with that combination of keywords? One is like in a first page, a list of priority keywords. In a second page, we have given the refinements. Under the refinements, how are we going to add this, like food tech plus travel tech? We get the list of people from the food tech plus travel tech. Here we get diversity plus those companies. So we get all the diversities here. And again, from all those big tech companies, like whatever we added. Again, diversity, and again from those list of.
Can you go back to that refinement?
So here, till here, it's taking.
There are 5 more words we can do, is it? Below that?
No, don't touch that. Just keep it till here only. 5 entities to refinement. You can add up to 5 filter result pages to those about the entities listed. Refine search results using graph entity. I have never explored that. If you get a chance, just try to explore. Just see how does it works. But till here is the best, is what I would say. Then let's say this page. Yeah, again from those big tech. So Pariniti, as I mentioned, here you have a non-diversity thing, but it's still a diversity resume profile. So this one might be a false positive. False positive would come maybe around 5 to 10%. That is something is always there. So this is still a Monica. It's not a non-diversity. It's still a diversity profile. So this is this thing, what we say. So why these results are coming? Because they might be a part of this, because those keywords are reflecting in their profile. They might be a women mentors, or they might be a part of such kind of a groups. Those reasons, those 5 to 10, though false positive, but that is still positive because it's actually matching the keywords what we have mentioned. It's not that Google won't give us a result, a kind of a result where we do not have keywords. Keywords would be there. Now let's say if we are training, if I'm training some of a women institutions, if I'm doing some freelance work, or if I'm doing some monitor work, if I'm doing some consulting work or anything, if I mentioned in my resume, or if I done some diversity related project, and if I'd done that in my if I mention that in my LinkedIn profile under the project, then a diversity research, and under the diversity research, I would mention, okay, what I've done to do that diversity research. I have listed down the 2000 first name of an Indian diversity name or female name or woman name. So as soon as I mention those female, women and all, it start coming in. So female is also one good keyword. Let's add female also here. Woman or girls. Okay, just girls I'll add. It's not taking much. So if this kind of a keywords, if I'm mentioning in my LinkedIn profile, definitely Google will show my profile because it's matching the search criteria. But still, that's maximum up to 5 to 10%, not beyond that. So this is diversity again from the big tech.
What is the approximate maximum words we can give in refinement?
It's not driven by word, it's driven by space. How much ever you can give in this space, that's it. So here, how many we give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe additional 2, 3 more. So 32 keywords first, then additional here, and then additionally, let's say here also, if you want to search product manager, Hyderabad, and only from Microsoft. And we get that Microsoft product managers. Or at least their past company as a Microsoft. Anyone here from Microsoft? Let's say product management. Director. Product management. Hyderabad, Microsoft. Pankaj Jain, Director of Product Management. And now again coming back here. Okay, let's do this. Are there any diversity product managers from Microsoft? Abhishek, Deepti, Charu, Payal, Prerna. So though few false positive as per the title, what we are searching, because again, those director might be in the similar profile views or something like that. But again, if you want to give those refinements, you can always those refinements. So just in the interest of time, let me just go and show SD2 LinkedIn. So this was one of the CSS which I created once for some of the freelancers. SDE. So here all these filters, if you see, Premium Institute plus looking for job plus contact details. What did I add it here in the backend? Search features, refinements. So if it is a Premium Institute plus looking for job plus contact details, this would be for job, new opportunities, open to work, seeking new, just NIT, IIT, bits, and just Gmail, because I have a limited space over here. I could not give much. Once we come here, premium institute, looking for job, contact details. Okay. So seeking distributed.
Can you please save this shit?
Which one? This one?
The search, yeah, correct.
This you can have, you take it. It's okay. So set up. Even the message which I sent in a WhatsApp over there also, this one I've mentioned. You can refer in this talk. One of a custom switching. Okay.
So I can open this and edit.
No, you can't edit. You have to create your own CSC. So it will help you. It will only give you the output. You can use it as an end user. You can't use it because it's my CSC. If you log in into your CSC,
It's not open.
huh?
It's not open source.
It's not open source. It's still an open source. Now let's say if I'm pinging here, you can use it as an end user. It's still an open source. You can use it as an end user, but you can't edit it. It's not a
But
GitHub.
I can see,
Huh?
but I can see the refinement.
You can see everything. Just see, I've pinged it. Just take it from there. I pinged in a chat, click on it and search for anything. It's still an open source. And this number of people use it, in fact, at Amazon as well. And then if you see this also, sourcego.blogspot.in. Even this is open source across the globe. There are people using it. Let's say if I click on HackerEarth, Java, Bangalore. So first I get results. Then after that, all those HackerEarth profile. So HackerRank and HackerEarth, these are basically a sites where these big tech companies are sending them the coding assessment. And to take that coding assessment, this candidate has to log in on HackerRank and HackerEarth or HackerEarth by using their email IDs and all everything. And that's where you have all the premium profiles again. You don't go behind the companies or anything, just go behind the skill and the location, and you have all those profiles. But
I wanted to see that search. The keywords which you have given in refinement.
So if I just go here, so it takes time, Madhusudan. Even for me also, it has taken, I believe,
No, if you
a
only
day.
one, if you can share that.
So here there are so many refinements, right?
No, that particularly that job seeking guys.
So let's see here. If you come in past, just refer to the doc. In past, we might have mentioned like this: job opportunities, seeking or looking for newer opportunities like this. Let's just take this part only. Okay, with 3 to 8 years of experience. Just take this part: seeking or looking. Then new for job, new or for, then job opportunity or opportunities. Let's come here. No, not here. Let's go here. Not here also. Let's go here. Edit with search engine, profile finder, refinement, add, looking for. So give a priority. Just do this. Seeking or looking. Space, new or for job opportunity, opportunities. All right. And then between 3 to 8 years of experience. Actively seeking candidates with 3 to 8 years of experience who are mentioned. Add it. Come to setup. Go to this. Then looking for. So These are the people who would have mentioned. National Institute, looking for opportunity, looking for a job as a Java developer, 4 years of experience, development experience. 5 on 6 LPA, seeking new opportunities based out of Hyderabad. 5 customer experience, design pattern, object oriented. So though we are getting these profiles, some of them directly we could see like looking for new opportunities, but some profiles like this we are getting. The reason because in past they would have mentioned those looking for opportunities or looking for job in past. As I mentioned that Google gives us a result even from the previous history. It remembers the entire history, but otherwise if you see after opening here, it shows actively looking for new opportunities. So these people sometimes in past they would have mentioned. Or let's say some people who would have added their resume. Let's see if we get that one filter. You can go to picture,
Yes, Shiv, I got that.
add it. Resume, keep property. Resume or CV. See if we have their resumes in their profile, or they would have mentioned the word at least a resume. CV is taking from those colleges. Or resume building service guys looking for Java developer fresher. For resume, not really sure. I'm trying to find out those, some people add their attachment of their resume in their LinkedIn profile, right? So
Yes,
trying to
correct.
see in case if we get that one.
We can even give the PDF in the search.
Let's see in case if PDF works. Resume not working. Let's go back. Resume. That's a PDF. Just let's give location. Jam PDF. Okay. This is interesting. PDF. Maybe that's possible with the X-ray, but okay, here we have something featured, list of publications. Now this might not work. Maybe that could be worked on a X-ray searches. But otherwise, yeah, pretty much about adding refinements. Any further doubts, confusion? If you want that CSC for software engineers, you can definitely take it, but it's just that you won't be able to edit it anything in the backend, but you'll be able to use it as a end user. And apart from that, the one which I shared, one of my blog, that's sourcecode.blogspot. Over there also you have number of custom search engines consolidated. You can use that. But I would say just try creating, just start. And in case if you have any doubts, please ping in a group. There might be some people who are not a part of a group. Anyone here who is not a part of a WhatsApp group, a learning group?
Yeah, I guess it's me.
Okay.
It's me.
This is MD Abdul Karim has been shared this link with me.
Let me So we are starting a new batch as well pretty soon. Maybe another couple of weeks, right from the beginning it will be. If you want to join, feel free to join. Just be a part of a group for now. And whenever we're starting a new batch, I'll keep you updated. And
Sure.
there
Thank
you
you so
might
much.
start it from the beginning, start it from the basic, so that whatever we are discussing today, I know if you're joining in for the first time or second time, this thing might be uh, confusing or too much of overwhelming, but I would always definitely suggest go from that basics. Once the basics are stronger, definitely we can create the most complex searches.
Yeah, sure. That would be fine.
Vasugi, right?
Mr. Shiv, can you please also add me?
Vasugi.
Yeah, I just shared a link here in the chat.
VASUGI. Mhm.
Okay.
Just take that link. Otherwise, ping me on a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 8050020304. All right, that's it for now. Any doubts, confusion? So there are a few minor things we might to be mindful of while creating these custom CSCs. Sometimes you might see there are no result. Just try pinging in the group. As I mentioned, there are few minor things that we might miss. I can help you with that. So rest other all of the screens we have it. Madhusudan, about this looking for, or this, as you mentioned, that girl, woman, or girls, lady, mahila around to school, engineering. We have all the past searches, what we have added over here. You can pick some of the searches from here, try adding in the refinements, that also would work. Otherwise, this kind of a titles, everything is there in this document. A lot of stuff we have
Yeah,
captured
sure.
in these documents.
Yeah, sure.
So
Thanks.
maybe another session we'll have it next weekend, not maybe we'll try to create some of the custom search engines for jobs as well for the GitHub, so that we get one more session on that and we are pretty good. We'll be clear on it.
Mr. Shiv, have you shared the link of this? Okay.
Yeah, I just shared the link of this docs.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
go to that.
Thank you.
In this docs, you have right from the session one, but a theoretical part of it. Whatever we were covering in the sessions, we were capturing it here. If it was a capturable, but otherwise a session like today, if it is not capturable in words, then I might upload a videos and I might add a links over here for the today's session. And also I'll share in our WhatsApp groups.
Thank you so much, Shiv. I have a doubt. From when onwards the basics are going to get started?
Maybe December is what we have. Couple of more sessions to complete.
Yes, what I feel is I've joined in between kind of.
Yeah,
So wanted
I
to start
absolutely
from
get
the
it.
beginning would help me. Yeah.
Yeah, I absolutely get it, Vasuki. It's similar, it's
Yeah.
the same with everyone, in fact. So no problem. Maybe in a December is something that we're planning to start. There are a couple of sessions which are still left for
Okay.
sixth, seventh, and eighth, I believe. Yeah, seventh and eighth batch. Then maybe ninth will just start in December.
Sure. Thank you so much. Please keep me updated on regarding the same on WhatsApp.
Yeah, just be there in the group. You'll get all the updates.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Sure, Madhusudan, Garima, Divya, Oksana, Suruji,
Thanks, Shiv. I suppose this was
Thanks a
a
lot.
you.
great help. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shiv.
Shiv.
any doubts for the thing? Just practice, and I'm
Not
sure
come.
you'll come up with the doubts, and then ping in a group. We'll be able to cover those.
Sure, Shiv. Sure.
In weekdays, I'm not sure if I can respond immediately because my regular jobs keeps me busy. Maybe during evenings or late night, I might be able to respond. But otherwise, as I mentioned, like next session is again gonna be creating a custom search engine for finding a jobs and for a GitHub or some other sites like that. By then, if this week, if you can just spend your time on a practice, and in case if you have any doubts, if you can ask in that session, I would be happy to answer those. Though feel free to ping in a group. If I'm able to respond immediately, but otherwise weekends are definitely reserved for us.
Yeah, Shiv,
Yeah.
can you please share this the chat which you have shared the links? I'm not able to copy paste it.
Let me share in the group in that case. That's one drawback of this chat.
Or in the document.
I'll share in the group 4. You're there in the group 4, right?
Yes,
Link
yes.
to the doc,
Thank you.
and then ST2. What else? Link to the doc, CSC, and one of my blog. Source go. So yeah, definitely these are the lengthy ones. I would say uh, uh, we can keep it. We can cut short it also and finish off within 15 minutes. But we won't be able to get the depth and breadth of the understanding, and that's reason our sessions will go for hours. Maybe a new batches also, which we'll start right from the scratch. That will have a pretty much depth on the basics as well. But be ready. I really can't help it out. Any feedback, anything that whether it has to be so long or if you can do it in short, maybe within 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Shri, Garima, yeah, please.
Yeah, so Shiv, actually this is like little off track, but I would like to know, since you've been using this Google CSC, what is the success rate? How many roles have you been able to close?
Since 2017, I'm not using any portals. Is the answer to that.
Okay.
So it's not just
Okay,
Google
got it.
CSC,
Yeah.
but knowing when to use what. But yes, LinkedIn Recruiter, I do have it, but I don't use only for sourcing of profiles. But I use basically to do more research-oriented task over there. But otherwise, there were in-between companies where I didn't had a LinkedIn Recruiter, but I could make a success. And as I mentioned, since 2013, I never worked on Naukri, Monster, or any of the uh, job portals. All my till date hires are passive.
Yeah, that's great. Maybe, we could have one session on how to attract passive candidates. It's a very tough job hiring
First, we're
technical
trying
leads.
to identify. So all the sessions, there is a content of 40 modules. What we cover. Let me. So if you see here, table of content. So right from the introduction to the sourcing to recruitment, keyword search, Google direct answer, basic booleans, then little advanced, then little advanced, then little advanced, then little advanced. Where we are currently is, I believe, data miner is completed. This is still remaining. Okay, custom search engine. Here we are, but there are few sessions which are still remaining. Even data miner is also completed. So first is more on identifying the candidates. Once we go on identifying the candidates, then we go with few more sessions, understanding a problem statement, real-time scenario faced frequently while sourcing, how and where to identify some cool apps, design thinking for sourcers, exploring some of the sourcing forums to follow, to ask questions, to keep learning. So these will all cover that attracting, engaging, how to generate the employer referral leads using employer networks. So like that. So it's all goes with up to 50 sessions. May not be a 50 session. Those 50 topics can be covered in maybe around 35 sessions. And every week, if we say we do in a one weekend, and there are a number of sessions which are repetitive, like this session, which is repetitive of yesterday's session. And again, next week also it will be repetitive. So it's like that. But yeah, it goes for at least 3 to 4 months during the weekends. And then throughout the process, you learn that you'll get to see the kind of examples we attract, the kind of examples we give. There will means we discuss basically. It's not only me. The entire group keeps discussing about various ideas or those attraction. So we'll cover by default all those things.
Noted. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. That's it for today.
Thanks a lot, Shiv.
All right, thank you. Any further doubts on any minor things for people who were yesterday and today about this? Or are we good?
We're good. Practicing is what I think is required.
Yeah. Let me upload the videos. I'll ping in a group once the upload is done. Then maybe you can refer to that. And
It would be great, Chef.
yesterday, what happened? I was trying to, means someone has a doubt, then they were trying to share a screen. Then session ended on their screen. So neither I could save or they could save. So it went like that. But today's thing, I'll share it. All the 4 sessions are on my screen. Okay, thank you. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, good
Thank you
night.
so much.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Wow.
Bye.